Hey, yeah. I'm leaving town for a week. Wondering if you'd stop by and water the flowers. You'll try to. Okay, well, they'll try to stay alive then. Yeah, never mind. Alright. We gotta do something different. Let's see here. Click. And order. Shopping at my favorite store. Alright guys, you ready to do this? Okay, we are doing this thing here. We're unboxing and reviewing the Amazon special 1-hose faucet timer. So here's how it comes. Here's what's inside. So it looks like there's some, there's a timer on it. Looks like it's pretty user friendly. It's literally, it's like how often, how long, start time, set clock. It's kind of cool. Comes with some easy instructions. Different languages. Save that bubble wrap for something. I don't know what. It doesn't pop though. Alright, it's got a fancy little sticker here. Looks like it needs a few batteries, so let's check that out. Yep, couple double A's, that should be pretty easy. Just have to do a magic trick. Double A up here. Hey, there they are. Cool. Alright, let's put them in. So I bought this because we are going to go out of town, and I have a lot of palm trees, a lot of tomatoes, a lot of everything that I just grow, like all sorts of veggies and fruits. I really don't want them to die, so this is what we're doing. So I put it in. Looks pretty easy here. So auto, so set clock. So the first thing they want you to do is set the clock. Right now, I don't know what time it is, but we'll say it's 8 o'clock. Okay, so that's, I wonder if we long press it or, so long pressing it fast forwards to 8. Looks like it goes pretty fast. That's good. Alright, it's 8:02. Start time, we're going to call it we're going to call it 8:15. Now I don't know if you can set, probably need to figure that out. To set AM versus PM. Oh, I've totally backed that up. It goes pretty fast though. Because that's AM right there, so I don't know if I have to. I'm going to figure it out. Hold on one sec, guys. Yep, I just read the instructions. You have to actually go the whole way. Luckily, it's not too long. And really, you're not going to be changing it very much, so once you set it, it's set for a while. So let's go like, yeah, 8:12. For how long? We're going to go 2 minutes. We'll go 4 minutes. How often? Every day. We don't want to be off. Okay, auto. So we have just a few minutes to get this thing hooked up. So let's go do it. Okay, we're doing this kind of real time because I want you guys to see how long it takes. So it's 8:05 now. As you can see, it's only been a minute. Getting it on nice and tight. Okay, we're going to use the gray hose, as you can see. So that one's off, and then this gray one is on, so we're going to use that. I'll reset the alarm for 8:08, so it's 8:07 now. So let's hurry. So I just turned it on. I heard the water click for a second, but it's not flowing. You can see it's not flowing. So now let's just wait until 8:08. Oh, there it goes. So it worked. It's pretty awesome. So it's going to go for 4 minutes. I'm not going to let it do it for that long, but pretty cool little device, guys. That's Seasick. So I just turned it to off. It worked flawlessly, but I also wanted to check out the manual button. So let's take a look at this, see if it clicks back on. Okay, so it turns out you have to actually turn it on auto. So auto, manual, and it looks like it's going to turn on for 10 minutes. So if we look over here, see how it clicked? It's dripping, it's flowing, life is good. So we're good. So that manual button's kind of nice. So you could just go and water your grass, you don't have to worry about anything. Alright, well that is just about it. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you enjoy. I don't always do product reviews, but I always do things around the house. If we gotta get something done, we get it done. You know, we do what we can with what we have. Sometimes we have to get special timers or whatever other types of tools, but you know, that's just what we do, take care of business around here. So if you like seeing what I do, I'd love for you to subscribe and go ahead and hit the little like button. It helps. I know you hear it from every single YouTuber, but it really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helping people see this video so that it pops up on their screen like, hey, people like this, you might want to check it out. So that's why we do it. But that's all. I guess it's just time to get back to work. See you guys next time.